Hi everyone, this is a video about this selfie stick Xcsource selfie stick that I have partially modified this, and I tell you why I've done that, but I show you how and why I did it. And this one is really, I was looking for some selfie stick that you can individually differ the length of each poles, and I come across this one and the price was under £15, and but the reason that I had to modify this, this is what I have added to it, this end, and this end bit was screwed to here. Let me just show you there is a hole there, and there is a screw there is going right through, and it was attached to there. And the reason that I have changed this is because it only could go 180 degrees up and down, not side to side like a ball head. So I need my ball heads, and it has a mirror effect here as well. It's really good, and this is the screw for 1/4 inch to be mounted on your phone holder or your camera, whatever, but it's good and solid. I recommend this, and it has a clicking action as well, so I use this maybe for another purpose later on. And it came also with a phone holder. The quality is not really good, because I personally prefer those that you can screw them in and out, because with one-handed it's really difficult to do that. And then it came with a GoPro attachment as well, so it's really good. And the rest strap or lanyard or whatever you want to call it is good quality as well. So and the reason that I wanted this individual locking mechanism is because if you use one of these, that you can unlock them like so by twisting it, and if your camera is here and each time you want to change the length, your camera is going to move somehow. And that's why I was looking for something like this. I have made a video about this. A Smart 3 is good, it's very solid, but I use this for different purpose now, and this one is going to be used a lot more in my videos. And it has a 1/4 inch screw at the base to mount it on your tripod. And with the way that I've modified this now, you can mount anything at this end. For instance, this is how I use them: a ball head mounting to the top, and as I mentioned, this one also, although that is going up and down, also you can turn it 360 as well. So that was the reason that I have made this modification. So and I wanted to tell you a little bit about the connectors that it comes in the market, that they are very useful. And this that you see at the end is a sort of connectors that I show you all of them, all the different types, that they are very, very useful for those that they are serious about the angle, the desired angle that they want to position the camera with, the versatility, that how and when, to what angle. These are very good with ball heads. And there is another attachment that you can attach this to a pole of course this one I again modified this to accept any sort of heads to this, and it's really good. It's better to have more rather than less when you want to get to those awkward angles and positions. So this was a video about this Xcsource tripod on eBay, and all of this you can purchase them. There are 22 pieces of these for under £10. There are good quality as well, a little bit more, you have to pay £5 more, but these are, apart from these two, the rest of them they are aluminium, but these two they are very good quality. And this one is 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch adapter. This one is opposite, 3/8 to 1/4, and this one is a 3/8 to 1/4 male. These are female, and so on. And this one, you know, it came in this batch as well, 22 pieces, and it's really good. Anyhow, this is supposed to be a short video about this Xcsource selfie stick, that it individually you can adjust each part, and the maximum length of this is 1 meter 20 centimeter. It's really good and fully recommendable, because this screw you can get this out and modify this without breaking or sewing the end of this, as I did with this one, because it was press fitted. So I hope you like this video, and until my next video, thanks for watching, and take care of yourself and each other. As always, have a great time.